I've liked these shoe storage and organizer boxes so much that this is actually already my second set. What I really love about these is that the clear plastic helps you know exactly what's in here, keeps everything organized, and keeps the dust out, and it looks really nice and neat and organized. And these are really lightweight, but also sturdy at the same time. And for size comparison, these are women's size 8 shoes. And these have a little heel on them, but there is still plenty of room there. To give an idea of size, these are men's size 11.5 sneakers. So those fit just like so. So I just took these out of the box and they come neatly stacked like this. There's a front side. This has the door. And these are the back sides. These have holes in them. And this comes with an instruction manual. This is super easy to assemble. So first we take one of the main parts and fold it into the box shape, like so. And then we fold the flaps in. This is the rear piece. It's easiest when you stand it up. And you hear it click like so. And then the other side will be the front. And this is the side with the door. So you just line it up. And hear that click, and there you go. Something to keep in mind when assembling these is to keep it uniform. Keep this as the top and then the door this way to keep everything uniform. Just compare them to each other as you go. There's that click. And we fold in the tabs on the other side. Sometimes you have to kind of maneuver it, but then it'll eventually click, find its place, and then it's in there quite securely. Stacking them is really simple too. You just reach in and open these. And then there are little tabs on the side to stick these through. And there we go. Those two are now connected. That's not going anywhere. Overall, these shoe storage boxes are a great addition for keeping homes organized.